When it comes to the kitchen, some people have a natural talent for creating amazing dishes, while others could use a little extra help. But no matter your skill level, who wouldn't love a cool gadget that makes cooking easier and more enjoyable? In this video, we'll show you 22 kitchen gadgets designed to streamline meal prep, enhance your cooking experience, and take your dishes to the next level. Let's get started. This thoughtfully designed rack protects your sink and countertop from scratches while providing efficient drying space. Enjoy unparalleled convenience with the foldable design featuring a rolling mechanism that allows for compact storage when not in use. Simply roll it up and tuck it away in a drawer or cabinet, making it perfect for kitchens where space is at a premium. Experience exceptional stability with the non-slip silicone drying mat. Constructed with 18 sturdy stainless steel pipes, this rack sits securely on your sink without sliding or bending, even when loaded with dishes. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this strainer offers lasting brightness and rust-proof durability for long-term use. The double-layer design features smooth edges to protect your hands while handling. With precise 0.08-inch diameter drain pores, this strainer ensures smooth water flow while effectively capturing food particles. Installation couldn't be simpler. No tools required. Just place it in your sink drain and remove as needed for quick cleaning with warm, soapy water. Measuring 4.5 inches in outer diameter with a 3-inch inner filter and 1-inch depth, this versatile strainer fits most standard sinks. Experience effortless food preparation with the Zyliss restaurant cheese grater. This efficient crank-style grater requires minimal pressure to achieve perfect results and conveniently folds for compact storage in even the most space-conscious kitchens. Enjoy exceptional versatility with this handheld shredder, perfectly designed for grating hard cheeses, chocolate, and nuts with consistent professional results. The thoughtful design features a non-slip knob and easy disassembly, making it comfortable for both left and right-handed users. Enhance any bathroom with the sleek REVSQUARED hand dryer, crafted from durable ABS polycarbonate that delivers impressive performance and style for both commercial and residential settings. Experience lightning-fast drying with the powerful motor that delivers 6.3 gallons per second of airflow, efficiently drying hands within seconds. This commercial-grade automated performance is now available for your home or office at a fraction of the cost of traditional systems. Installation is effortless with this compact hand dryer measuring just 7.5 by 4.2 5.5 inches, perfect for restrooms of all sizes. Experience precision cutting with the Anatole commercial vegetable slicer, featuring adjustable thickness settings from 0 to 0.5 inches, 0 to 13 millimeters. Simply rotate the control knob counterclockwise for paper-thin slices or clockwise for thicker cuts, providing versatility for all your culinary needs. Built for professional performance, this slicer is constructed entirely from high-quality stainless steel for exceptional durability, resistance to rust and corrosion. The razor-sharp blades effortlessly handle a wide variety of vegetables and fruits with consistent results every time. Elevate your cheese grating experience with the compact yet powerful Rösle cheese mill. Measuring just 4.7 by 2.5 by 4.5 inches, this space-efficient tool fits perfectly in any kitchen drawer while delivering professional results. Enjoy effortless grating with the ergonomic design that allows you to hold the mill comfortably in your palm while pressing cheese downward with your thumb. Simply turn the crank with your other hand for quick, consistent results with minimal effort. Experience unmatched cutting performance with the Huusk heavy-duty poultry scissors, crafted from premium stainless steel for exceptional durability and longevity. The razor-sharp blades effortlessly cut through bone, chicken, turkey, and various meats with minimal effort, while the specialized serrated edge provides precise fish scale scraping capabilities. Enjoy remarkable versatility with these multifunctional kitchen shears. Simply press the button on the back and rotate to separate the scissors into two parts, revealing a convenient small knife perfect for detailed cutting tasks. This all-in-one tool also includes a built-in fruit and vegetable peeler, bottle opener, and shell opener. Ensure your family's safety with the Lancryen Emergency Fire Blanket, engineered to withstand extreme temperatures up to 1,076 Fahrenheit. This superior protection comes from its advanced 3-layer construction, featuring 2 layers of 100% flame-retardant woven fiberglass fabric and an inner fire-retardant film. Experience rapid fire suppression with the oxygen-blocking design that immediately suffocates flames by cutting off their oxygen supply. This versatile safety tool not only extinguishes fires effectively, but also serves as a valuable thermal or heat shield in emergency situations. This all-inclusive 38-piece collection features essential tools including a ladle, skimmer, slotted turner, pasta server, cooking spoon, potato masher, egg whisk, slotted spoon, cooking tong, flat turner, flexible spatula, and basting brush. Showcase your kitchen tools in the premium stainless steel utensil holder that combines beauty with functionality. This sturdy, heavy-duty caddy features convenient drain holes in the bottom for easy water drainage and dust removal, while its dishwasher-safe design ensures effortless cleaning. This multifunctional design features a single-tier track with overhanging lips on the front and back that create a sliding platform for the included accessories. Convert your sink into a complete workspace with a solid wood cutting board, deep stainless steel colander, and convenient roll-up dish drying rack. Crafted from premium 16-gauge T304 grade stainless steel with an 1810 chromium nickel composition, this sink guarantees lifetime resistance to rust and staining. The commercial-grade brushed finish not only matches perfectly with modern kitchen appliances, but also conceals scratches for long-lasting beauty. This multifunctional design features a single-tier track with overhanging lips on the front and back that create a sliding platform for the included accessories. Convert your sink into a complete workspace with the solid wood cutting board, deep stainless steel colander, and convenient roll-up dish drying rack. Crafted from premium 16-gauge T304 grade stainless steel with an 1810 chromium nickel composition, this sink guarantees lifetime resistance to rust and staining. The commercial-grade brushed finish not only matches perfectly with modern kitchen appliances, but also conceals scratches for long-lasting beauty. Elevate your home organization with the NearMoon swivel towel rack, expertly crafted from premium Su304 stainless steel for lasting durability. This corrosion-resistant and rust-proof rack features silicone gaskets at rotation points to ensure smooth, quiet operation every time. The 4-arm design maximizes your hanging space, with each arm rotating 180 degrees independently. This thoughtful engineering allows you to position items exactly where you need them while saving valuable space. With an impressive weight capacity of 31 pounds, this versatile rack easily handles towels, kitchen utensils, clothing, and bags. Transform your kitchen cleanup routine with Cuisinart dish drying mats, the ultimate solution for keeping countertops pristine. These generously sized 16-inch by 18-inch ultra-absorbent microfiber mats efficiently soak up water from all your kitchenware, eliminating water spots and countertop stains. Engineered with innovative mesh backing, these versatile mats enhance air circulation to prevent moisture buildup while providing the perfect surface for dishes, pet bowls, or underneath existing dish racks. Discover kitchen cutting perfection with the thetchry plastic cutting board set. Crafted from premium food-grade plastic, these durable boards withstand rigorous chopping, slicing, and dicing without bending or breaking, ensuring years of reliable use for your family. Combat cross-contamination effortlessly with 3 strategically sized boards: the large 15-10-inch board for meats and fish, medium 11-8-inch for fruits and vegetables, and small 9-6-inch for herbs and aromatics. This thoughtful design keeps your food preparation safe and organized. Experience superior performance with Saladzilla, delivering clean, dry, and crisp salads, sprouts, microgreens, and herbs every time. Built for durability, Saladzilla features diamond ripstop fabric, the same material used in high-end backpacking equipment. This proprietary food-safe fabric contains no harmful chemicals, dries quickly, and eliminates the risk of cracked plastic or broken mechanical parts. Weighing just 3 ounces, that's 12 times less material than traditional spinners, Saladzilla reduces production energy, transport resources, and landfill waste. Say goodbye to stubborn lids with the Uinxan Jar Opener, designed for effortless opening with minimal strain on your hands and wrists. Featuring sharp dual stainless steel teeth that firmly grip jar lids, paired with a contoured non-slip handle for optimal leverage, this opener does the work so you don't have to. Versatile and powerful, this jar opener effortlessly tackles any lid or bottle cap up to 5.3 inches in diameter. The long handle provides crucial extra leverage for even the most stubborn vacuum-sealed lids, making it ideal for those with limited hand strength or mobility. Step up your breakfast game with the KPKitchen Pancake Batter Dispenser, the reliable solution for perfect pancakes every time. Constructed from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, this 4-cup capacity pourer features a wide mouth opening for easy filling and a quick close valve that makes pouring like a professional chef effortless. The fail-safe valve prevents leaks, keeping your hands and kitchen clean while making it safe for little helpers. At 3/4 inch wide, this dispenser easily accommodates chunky muffin mixes without clogging. Tackle those frustrating tight spaces with the durable TQRR crevice cleaning brush. Crafted from rust-proof plastic and stainless steel for long-lasting performance, this set features non-slip handles for comfortable gripping while reaching into the narrowest gaps and grout lines. The narrow heads and long handles are perfectly designed to reach deep between bathroom and kitchen tiles, while thick, dense bristles effectively remove dirt and grime from the tightest spaces. Simply rinse under the faucet to remove residue and debris. Then hang through the convenient handle holes for quick drying and space-saving storage. Make fruit preparation effortless with the versatile Luvan grape cutter, designed to handle a variety of small fruits with ease. This essential kitchen tool quickly slices through seedless grapes, pitted cherries, strawberries, blueberries, cherry tomatoes, and pitted olives, making it perfect for preparing baby-safe snacks or enhancing family salads with perfectly cut fruits. Experience maximum efficiency with the semi-enclosed design that prevents fruits from rolling away during cutting. With just one hand and a gentle press of your thumb, instantly transform whole fruits into 4 perfectly sized pieces. Transform your storage capabilities with the powerful Ofiray-home magnetic shelf, engineered to support an impressive 15 kilograms of weight. Its strong magnetic suction attaches securely to any metal surface, refrigerators, metal shelves, and more, without requiring additional support or installation hardware, making it the perfect solution for small kitchens and limited spaces. Use it in your kitchen to keep fruits and vegetables fresh and accessible, or place it in your office break room to organize coffee pods, snacks, and beverages. From kitchen utensils to bathroom essentials, this magnetic shelf brings order to every space in your home. Enjoy the perfect sipping experience with these thoughtfully designed cups, featuring a smooth top edge, classic textured wall pattern, and lightweight construction. Their stylish appearance enhances your kitchen aesthetic, while their stackable design saves valuable cabinet space. Experience worry-free entertaining with these shatter-resistant tumblers, ideal for parties, family gatherings, and outdoor events. Designed for convenience, these dishwasher-safe stackable tumblers simplify cleanup and storage, making them perfect for everyday use. This thoughtful package ensures you always have a fresh brush ready while offering 2 color options for different cleaning occasions. The handheld design keeps your hands safely away from dirt and dust while allowing precise control throughout the cleaning process. Clean with remarkable ease thanks to the comfortable handle paired with a fixed brush head design that simplifies deep cleaning. The seven-finger design penetrates deeply into seams and crevices, fitting perfectly into shutters, gaps, corners, and narrow spaces throughout your home.